We got some Amazon Basic storage shelf to compare. This one right here has 5 tier, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you notice, it's a little bit shorter too. This one is 60 inches, but actually with the wheels, it's about 64 inches as you see right here, 64 inches. Whereas this one over here, this one is a little bit more of a beast of a shelf. If you look right here, this one is actually 72 inches high, and that's with no wheels. So you can get these with wheels or without wheels. Usually with the wheels, lowers the capacity of each shelf. For example, this 5 tier one is 60 inches high without the wheels, and each shelf can handle 300 pounds of capacity if you get no wheels. But with the wheels, you only have 132 pounds of capacity. So less than half the capacity if you get the wheels. So you plan on storing a lot of things, get the one without the wheels. Also, the nice advantage without the wheels is you can level them and adjust them so that you can move them up and down so that there is less wobble. When you get the ones with the wheels, it's harder to adjust them, so they'll always wobble a little bit. They do have locks in them. 2 of the wheels do have locks. And this one, again, with the wheels, is 132 pounds of load per shelf. If I take off the wheels, it's 300 pounds of load per shelf. And the cool thing is, if you buy the one with the wheels, you'll also get the leveling feet included, so you can switch between the two. If you get the one with just the leveling feet, you just get the 11 feet. This one is a 5 tier shelf one that's 72 inches. Without the wheels, it's got the 11 feet, right? So this one handles 350 pounds of capacity. So this is one of the heavier duty shelves. Again, this one is 72 inches high. There's 5 tiers, and each tier handles 350 pounds of capacity. So these Amazon Basic shelves are very versatile. We use them around the home. The ones with wheels allow you to move around a little bit quicker and easier, but less than half the capacity per shelf compared to the leveling feet version of the same shelf. So there we go. These are 2 Amazon Basic shelf compared. The 5 tier 60 inches high versus the 5 tier 72 inches high one. Both of these are the black version of the shelf. They do come in chrome, but these are the black ones.